concentration, like a dream awaits manifestation. Hey, from the neck of a guitar, out the throat into the stars that fade into a melody, a melody, a melody, a melody. You got a melody, a melody. Well, I've drawn a blank from my memory bank, and I draw a breath from my empty nails, from the neck of a guitar. I'll throw into the stars and fade into a melody, a melody, a melody, a melody, a melody, melody. Let's give it this solo to your brother. Just go back to what we were doing before. From the neck of a guitar, I'll throw into the stars that fade into a melody, a melody, a melody, a melody, a melody. Melody. All right, straighten it up with a pump. Hey, I pray you a melody day. I pray you a melody day. I pray you a melody day. I pray you a melody. Hey. Hell yeah, brother.
Yeah.
All right, Jeff, you want to try to do Unearthed? Come on up, all right. You want to play this guitar? All right, this is going to be the perfect fusion. This is one of my most miserable and depressing pieces ever, but I love singing it and playing it, and especially because these wonderful musicians between both the groups, Listen Little Man and Xela cutting Bocchicchio, have encouraged me to do this. And I love all these guys, and I love all the people that have supported our work and our friendships. So again, this is going to be our last piece of the night. Are we cool with that, Jenna?
Whatever you got, baby.
Oh, hell no. All right, it's cool. It's cool. It's cool. No, I think, it might be cool. I mean, everything's so cool, man, when you drink a beer, man, you know what I'm saying? All right, this song's called Unearthed, and it's a lot more positive than it sounds. All right. Nay. All right, you guys ready to try this out? All right, Jeff, you got the hook, or you want to start it?
6, 7.
All right, pace it out. Slow it down so it's easy to ride.
Okay.
Yeah, there it is. That sounds cool. Push behind the bars of a shopping cart. You spend in a daze and in the dark, pulling the wool with your almighty dog. Ooh, like the blood of the lamb to the slaughter, digging our graves, making our beds, turning our souls into a cash crop, deep in a chain, a waiting river, lost in the sickness of the dead. Yeah, you got it. Driving between the bars in a station wagon, long from the past, at night spent chasing dragons, walking the street all alone, lost and drunken in search of a ship that long set sailing something, digging our grave and making our bed, making our souls into a cash crop slave, deep in a trail, a waiting river. Lost in the sickness of the dead. One damnation, seeking salvation, dreaming of men and seeking salvation, like an alien that doesn't fit in this skin and vacates its vessel on earth. Thanks for hanging out with us tonight, everybody. Thanks for sharing the holiday with us. Be peace. Be peace. Don't wait for it to come around. Be it. Be peace. Thanks, Jenna. Make sure to tip that lady. She worked hard tonight. Put up with my bullshit, you know. All right, Andrew Bonnet, Nate, Sam Bocchicchio, Tony Kazel. Yeah. Jeff Hennies. That's what's up, man. This is my family. Thank you all for playing and being a part of it. Be well.